Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Bob plus B, Bobby. Saw plus KS, socks. Bobby socks. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, everyone. I was torn. I was about to say hello, ladies and gentlemen, and then I decided to say hello, everyone, instead. So it came out, hello, Levereux. Hello, Sylvia King.
Hi.
Nice having you back with us.
Thanks.
This is a very good player, ladies and gentlemen. She played beautifully yesterday and won some prizes. And this is a good player also, the man who's opposing her in this game. His name is Stuart Wolf. Stuart, welcome back to you. He's good also. He's picked up over $8,000 in prizes, and they're eager to get into today's match, I know. And this is something that strikes a very responsive chord with me. Take a look at the prize.
A distinctive-looking solid brass cradle with canopy furnished by Swan Brass Beds, plus a lovely cradle ensemble furnished by Mia Armand. Alex.
And we will show these two young people who have no need for that kind of a cradle right now where they can find it on the board. At number 17, the brass cradle with canopy. Remember where you saw it. We also have a holiday in the Bahamas. Sylvia went to the winner's circle yesterday, Stuart, so you start us off today, please.
Okay, Alex. This time I'd like to start with my lucky number 15.
Diamond and opal ring.
Okay, my girlfriend Susan would like that, I think. And let's see if we can find a match under number 13.
Cordless iron, no match there, so we'll go right to Sylvia.
Well, heck, I'd like the jewelry. Can I see what's under number 25?
Flatware.
Flatware. For my new apartment, let's look under 2.
For the new apartment, no, we have the brass cradle with canopy. Stuart.
Okay, I think I can make a match. Thanks, Sylvia. Number 17.
Brass
and
cradle.
number 2.
Number 2 is a match. So 2 panels in that second column are about to open up and reveal this. Go again.
Okay, let's go back to my father's lucky numbers, number 5.
Bahamas Paradise Vacation.
All right, and let's see if lucky 7 is lucky.
Wild card, so it is lucky for you. The other Bahamas Paradise Vacation on the bottom line at number 24. 3 panels opening up this time for Stuart. Select.
Okay, let's go to my girlfriend's birthday, number 9. And
Flatware.
we'll deviate and go to number 25.
A little deviation in order to make the match. That's good thinking on your part, Stuart. 2 more doors opening. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 20.
Green take.
Okay, check my trip and see if we can get a match under number 8.
Wild card, so you are going to get the match out of it. The other green take is at number 10. Sylvia has nothing to take at the moment, and so we'll just open these 3 doors for you. Select.
Okay, let's try the top left-hand corner, number 1.
Motorcycle.
And see if we can get a match under number 3.
No, we have a compact disc player there. Sylvia was beginning to despair, but she gets another chance right now.
Well, I think I'll wake up now.
All right.
Okay, well, can we see possibly the CD player under number 22?
Diamond and opal ring.
Was that under number 15?
Yes, it was. We're all delighted for you. You seem to have a keen interest in jewelry.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, let's see what happens as we open these 2 doors for you, Sylvia. Young lady wants to be a cartographer. Let's see if she can work her way through this puzzle, this map of ours. Sylvia, make a selection.
Let's try the east side on number 11.
East side at number 11 is a motorcycle.
I do believe I saw the motorcycle under number 1.
Yes. Another match for you. And another chance to solve the puzzle, win the game. Select.
Can I see what's under number 16?
Cordless iron.
Was that under number 12?
I don't think so.
No.
That's a red take. Stuart?
Okay, I think we saw the cordless iron under number 13
Yes.
and number 16.
16 is a match. Now, you have this green tape, and it's getting late in the game. She has the diamond and opal ring and a motorcycle.
All right, I'll go for the diamond opal ring.
All righty. The ring for Stuart, and these two doors opening for Stuart. Select again.
Okay, still clueless. Let's try number 4.
We still have one wild card up there. Auto alarm system.
And a match maybe under number 14.
Gas range. No match. Sylvia?
Okay, well, I don't remember seeing either of those, so let's see number 23.
Red take.
And the red tape for number 12?
Number 12 is right.
I want the Bahamas.
You want the Bahamas? Really?
Yeah.
Okay, the Bahamas coming over to Sylvia's
Sorry,
side of the board.
That's okay.
Enjoy the moment and watch as we open these two doors, Sylvia. Still the wild card up there, too.
Can I see what's under number 21?
Gas range.
And was the gas range under number 4?
No, that's the auto alarm package. Stuart?
Okay, I think we saw the gas range under number 14
14, I believe, is where it was. Yes.
and number 21.
Correct. Take a look, Stuart.
I'm still clueless.
Select.
Okay, let's see number 18.
Auto alarm package.
And I believe the match is under number 4.
That is right. And that prize goes up in your column. We'll open these two doors. We'll show you 3, 6, and 19. That's the CD player and the wild card. So the CD player will be yours as well if you can solve this puzzle. Can you
Okay.
do it, Stuart?
No.
Sylvia, can you do it?
From Peter or
Well,
something.
you can't do it. All right, hands on your signaling buttons, and I'm going to assist you. Remember, you can ring in only after the little green light goes on. This is a great way to solve a financial problem. We have the arrows pointing at the burro. Burro, F. Stuart?
Is it borrow from a Peter?
Oh, sorry, you took too long. Sylvia, you have an opportunity right now to solve it. Can you do it? No? All right, hands on your buttons again. Borrow from, and you've got the arrows pointing at a single P and then a tier. So whose name does that make you think of? And then followed by a to pay. Stuart.
Okay, borrow from Peter to pay Paul.
I think that's right. Borrow from Peter to pay Paul. Yes. Come on, Stuart. Should be easy to explain now. I did almost the whole puzzle for you.
Okay, I definitely owe this one all to you, Alex.
Thank you.
Okay, this is, Alex pointed out, is a burro with the F and the rum for borrow from. And I saw the P down here plus the tier, which did make Peter in my mind. And I wasn't sure if this was a wig or hair, but as it turns out, toupee. And then here's what really threw me. I knew the P, but I thought that was ink, but it's in all. So borrow from Peter to pay Paul.
Okay, way to go. Sylvia, your first strike, that's all. And you'll play in game number 2, and we'll see you then, all right?
Okay, bye.
Bye. Stuart, come on over here. Dean's going to tell you about your prizes. You had some good ones up there until she stole the vacation, but you're still left with some great ones.
A cordless iron, flatware, a diamond opal ring, and an auto alarms package. You may protect your car 3 ways with the Ames electronic auto alarm system. Includes motion detector, ignition cutoff, and current sensor. Furnished by Ames Electronics. And a compact disc player. A compact disc digital audio player with convenient remote control that allows random program playback of up to 20 selections. Furnished by Sharp. And a gas range. Gibson's gas range with an extra-large self-cleaning oven, waist-high broiler, and fuel-saving electronic ignition for high-quality performance. Furnished by Gibson. And, of course, the lovely brass cradle with canopy. Prizes worth $3,261.
So you're just a shade under $12,000, Stuart, and you're going to get to play for the cars again, and you'll have 45 seconds on the clock, so that's good news. Right after this, we'll try it. Stuart gets another chance to play for the Cars. Let's see how well he does this time with 45 seconds on the clock. Let's put the 15 numbered squares up there and the clock. And we'll wish you good luck. And go ahead, Stuart.
Thanks. 1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
7, 3.
Yes.
10, 4.
Yes.
12, 13.
No.
14, 15.
No.
11, 15.
Right.
8, 9.
No.
12, 8.
Yes.
5, 6.
No.
2, 6.
Yes.
1, 5.
Man's gonna do
9, 13.
You
9,
have
14.
Got it now. High jumping on the road. Way to go.
Thanks a lot.
Hey.
Hey.
All right, Gene, tell him about it.
Okay, Alex Stewart, you've just won this Geo LSI convertible. Features a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and floor mats. Furnished by Chevrolet, a prize worth over $10,100.
Stuart, I had a feeling, and correct me if I'm wrong, I had a feeling you were trying to work it so that you would win that particular car. Is that what you were aiming for?
I gave it a shot, yeah.
You gave it a shot. Well, it paid off to the tune of $22,004 in prizes for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Your friend's happy for you. You two guys can go on cruising. We'll take a break. We'll come back with a new player right after this. So if she wants to stay around, she will have to win this next one also. But we have a newcomer to introduce who's going to face her in this game. His name is Jerry DeHovic. Hiya, Jerry.
Alex? Just fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from San Pedro, California.
Yeah, what do you
right
do?
Down the harbor. I am a consultant for a computer software company.
Good for you. Business good these days?
Real good.
All right, you're going to have some fun with us, I know, in this half hour. Take a look over here. I hope you are musically inclined because this is a great addition to any home.
Baldwin's traditional style 631 upright piano made of beautiful wood veneer. Fine styling, 3-ply laminated soundboard and solid brass pedals for soft, full, and bass sustaining effects furnished by Baldwin. Alex.
And that's about as well as Marjorie plays even when she's sitting in front of the piano. Jerry and Sylvia, take a look at the board. Here it is at number 25. Easy to remember. We have just one wild card in this game, Jerry. You're going to get to pick first. We've got $600 in the cash pot, a holiday in Chicago as well, and we have those 5 bonus seconds for the car round.
Great,
Off you go.
great.
Pick
Okay,
some
let's
numbers.
start at number 7, please.
Red take.
Red take. Okay, let's go for the match for that red take under number 15.
No, there's the cash pot. Sylvia, you like cash, you said.
Well, I guess, yeah, but I guess everybody does, but I'd like it anyways.
All right.
Can I see what's under number 19?
Car stereo and speakers.
Stereo. Is that under number 1?
No, that's refrigerator freezer.
Refrigerator
Jerry.
freezer. I could use that refrigerator freezer, Alex, as you can probably tell. Let's see what's under number 4, please.
Kitchen dinette.
Kitchen dinette. Let's try number 18 for the match.
No, 5 bonus car seconds. Sylvia, over to you.
Well, I need the dinette set, so let's look for that under number 22.
Green take.
Huh. Did we see a green take under number 7?
No, that was the red take.
Red take.
Jerry?
Okay, let's see what's under number 24, Alex.
Woman's sportswear.
Sportswear. I can probably give that to my sister. Let's try number 3, please, for the match.
Woman's sportswear.
There we go.
Your sister's going to hold you to it if you win the game also. Let's open it up.
Okay, let's start in the top right-hand corner at number 5.
Refrigerator freezer.
Ooh, we saw that under number 1, perhaps?
Refrigerator
All right.
freezer, yes.
Here we go.
Open it up for him. Another prize on his column. Another look at the puzzle. Another chance to solve it. But it doesn't work.
I want to find that one wild card. Let's see what's under number 17, please.
Red take.
Red take. Was that under number 7, Alex?
Yes.
All right.
Well done. Red take for you. Insurance for later on. 2 more
Okay,
doors
great.
opening up in that second column. Select.
Number 10, please. Green take. Was that under number 22, Alex?
Yes. Oh. Sylvia's a little bit upset.
Well, this is an incentive to get more prizes.
Mm-hmm.
Well, anyways, could I see what's under number...
Well, wait a minute now. What do you mean you're...
Oh, I'm sorry.
Come on, Sylvia, give me a little slack here.
Cut him some slack, please. The man has made 2 or 3 matches in a row, and you're jumping in? Jerry, take a look. Can you solve the puzzle as we open these 2 doors for you?
Alex, I would like to try it. Did I beat the buzzer? Or no?
No, you didn't.
Oh, okay. Well,
but I'll tell you what, if you want to be a real nice guy, you can let Sylvia come in and select now. You don't want to be that nice?
I need that wild card now.
Okay.
Let's try number 19.
All right. Car, stereo, and speakers.
Oh, we did see that. Let's try number 8 for the match.
No, his and her diamond watches. Guess what, Sylvia? Now, legitimately, you can call some numbers.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Can I see what's under number 25?
Piano.
Oh, yeah. I do. No, we didn't see that. Can I see what's under number 14?
Wild card. Piano's a big, expensive prize. A good one. Let's show her the other one. It's at number 11. 3 panels opening up for Sylvia. Can she solve this puzzle? Pick again.
Can I see what's under number 12?
Chicago.
Chicago.
Toddlin Town.
How about what's under number 4?
Kitchen dinette set. No match. Jerry.
Okay. Let's see what's under number 2, please, Alex.
Car
stereo,
speakers.
and for the match under number 19.
19 is right. Now, you've made a match and you have both of the takes.
I want that piano, Alex.
Give him the piano. Do you play, or is this for your sister also?
Well, I'm going to keep the piano this time.
All righty.
I'm not going to be that nice of a brother.
Okay, open these 2 panels for him.
Is it pleasantly plump?
Man says pleasantly plump, and the man is right. And the man's going to clean up on prizes. Come on, Jerry. Let's go to the board, and you get to explain it.
Okay. First, we have the spelling of the letters with the ple. This is sand over here, and this is General Lee. We have a P down here and a lump on this gentleman's head. Pleasantly plump.
Well done. Well done. Come on back into the shot. Let the people see you as you enjoy this moment. You can savor it at Sylvia. Darn, you got a second X there. That's 2 games you've lost. But you've got the home gym, and that seemed to excite you a lot. You've got that 35mm camera outfit. Congratulations, and good luck in your career as a cartographer. Pleasure having you here.
Bye.
So long. All right, Jerry. Your turn to enjoy the sound of prizes coming your way. Gene, what's he got?
A car stereo with speakers and woman's sportswear. Tangents featuring a collection of updated sportswear and separates for the contemporary woman. Perfect for career into evening, furnished by Tangents Warren Z. And a refrigerator freezer. Gibson's Frost Clear refrigerator freezer with features designed to make food storage easier and more convenient than ever before. Furnished by Gibson. And of course, the beautiful piano, and this is a prize package worth $4,367.
Good payoff for you, Jerry, and I'm sure you're interested in winning a brand new car for yourself, not for your sister. And we'll see if he can do it after this. Watch me name him. All right, we're talking about Jerry's football career with the Air Force Academy a few years ago. He enjoyed the competition. He's enjoying the competition on our show, but he would like to win a brand new car, and there's no competition for him except for these 15 numbered squares. And, of course, the clock. The clock is your enemy at 35 seconds. Good luck, Jerry. Off you go.
2, 3.
Nope.
5, 6.
No again.
8, 9.
No.
6, 8.
Right.
11, 12.
No.
5, 15.
No.
14, 9.
No.
13, 12.
Nope.
10, 14,
Nope.
4, 12,
No.
1.
It's the fourth
2.
quarter, Jerry. It's the fourth quarter. You're trailing by 21 points with a minute to go, so it isn't likely to happen. But that's okay. You've got the piano. You've got those other prizes worth over $4,000.
That's great.
And you're going to come back and play on our next show. We're going to take a break. Gene, what is that prize you're going to tell us about?
Some of today's participants may receive Jansen's Fashion for Men, versatile designs in swimwear, golfwear, or sweaters, designed for your personal style in rich colors and distinctive fabrics, furnished by Jansen. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
It's always tough when I ask those difficult questions during commercial breaks. That about wraps it up for this week on Classic Concentration, ladies and gentlemen. Jerry's going to come back and play with us on Monday. You are, aren't you?
I sure am.
You're not going to pass up an opportunity to win one of these cars?
Nope, I'll be here.
We're going to have 2 new ones up there on Monday, too. 2
Great.
Flash LaRue cars.
Great.
And Marjorie, you will put in an appearance?
I'll try.
And we may even get you to do your famous phone number bit
Oh, thank you.
next time out on Concentration. So long.
Bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.